Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show tab previews in Opera Browser Computer Windows 10. So how to show tab previews in Opera Browser Computer Windows 10? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, go straight to Opera Browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera Browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this, and scroll down. And tap the setting menu here. Now here it is in the settings menu. Enter the browser menu. Now here it is in the browser menu. Scroll down to find the interface menu. Then tap Show Tab Previews. This feature allows users to display tab previews in Opera Browser on Windows 10, making it easier to see the contents of the tab without opening it completely. So that's it, the tutorial how to show tab previews in Opera Browser Computer Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.